Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel and to this video. Thanks for clicking. Today we've got a Rogue review happening. We are going to be unboxing and going through this new digital photo frame. Now, what caught my eye about this one as opposed to all the other ones, and you might be asking yourself the same question, does this link to my Google Photos album? This one was really the only one that I could find within my price point that actually links up with my Google Photos. So you can input Google Photos, tell it which album you want it to show, and it will wirelessly display. There's no manual transfer. There's no 7-second limit on videos. And so we're going to be reviewing this, getting it hooked up, and showing you what this is all about. So hopefully this can help you make a good purchasing decision. So we're getting everything out of the box here. It is boxed very well, packaged well, no damage or anything like that to the screen or to the area. You can click rewind and see those kind of slow-mo shots, or slow it down if you need to get a closer look. But long story short, impressed with how it is packaged. Nothing is worse than opening something up and finding, oh, there's it's damaged or cracked or whatever, and you got to send it back. Here's a look at the back side of it. It's got this little plastic stand. It's not metal. It doesn't screw on. It's a little plastic piece that fits in the back just like that. And it's snug for sure. I'm not sure why there's only one as opposed to two, but it gets the job done. It is secure and it can stand up here on the edge of the sofa. You can see it doesn't fall back or anything like that. And so if that works on a soft surface, it will work on a hard surface just like that. And you plug it in. You can see I've got the power cord plugged into the back, and we'll boot it up. Here's the brand.
All right, it's break time. Subscribe, like, and share to support this channel. Please comment as well. Join as a member for amazing perks from priority replies to DIY party invites. If you need tools and merch, shop my store or website. You can check the links in the description for my best products.
And while that's booting up, I'm going to fire up the app. You can download the app. I'll put links down in the description for the app and for the product itself. The app got pretty good reviews, and which is always kind of a question, when you buy some of these third-party companies online, and the app has like 2 stars out of 5 with 3 people who've reviewed it or whatnot. But you basically create a profile. It's really self-explanatory. Yeah, you can create put an image to it if you want. I don't usually do that on my apps, but you just follow the on-screen instructions, create an account, and then you're in the app's dashboard, basically. Once you're in, the first option it'll give you is to add pictures, and you click this is for myself, the frame is for myself, or if you've gifted it, for example, if you wish to send pictures to a different frame that you've gifted to family members. So I'm going to click for myself. This is for our family. We really want to display our Google Photos and have that kind of ongoing in the background. You need to connect to Bluetooth because the app needs to sync up with the digital frame itself, obviously. So we're going to enable Bluetooth, make sure that is on, and then click next. It'll sync up, look for the device, make sure it's powered on, your actual frame like that, and it'll say connecting, and then voila, you are synced up. Click next, and then you have access to lots of different controls and settings. You can play around with them. You can adjust the brightness. There's volume adjustment for the video playback. It's got a built-in speaker that's really nice and can put out quite a bit of sound. And of course, we've got no pictures on it currently. You can manually import the pictures. You can send them from your device one by one to your frame, or you can hook up Google Photos. Like I said, I'm interested in hooking up Google Photos as the primary reason why I bought this. And so you just click Google Photos. Oh. Here we go. Actually, we need to do this via the app, but here's another look at all the different settings that you can, toggle through. So let's go back to the app. We're going to click Add Photos, and then it specifically says down there at the bottom, Connect to Google Photos. Click that, and then you'll be presented with all of your Google Photo albums. We've got vacations, weddings, all this good stuff. We'll click a couple, and then you have to give it time to kind of sync up. I don't think it downloads everything directly to the digital device or to the frame, but you need to tell it, okay, I want you to play this album or this album. Here's an album where we were in Mexico, and so we'll make sure that that is clicked. You can also AI enhance. There's certain credits. I wasn't really into that, but you can do that, and I'll show you kind of a better look in a second. But there's brightness adjustment and You can swipe through, so it is touch screen. I mean, this is just a cool frame, and it's got the size too. A lot of the frames are affordable, but they're like 10 inches. This thing's, I don't know, like 15 or something inches, and we wanted it to actually look. You wanted to see it across the room, and you can, and so and it meets the price point, which is always a must because we can't spend north of $400 on something like this. So you can check the link in the description below for the current price. That always changes. I have no idea what this is going to be at right now, the making of this video. But here's that AI adjustment. You can actually, edit your photos kind of right there on the screen. And so that's kind of cool. If you've got a photo that you really like, you can see that like kind of before and after. Another kind of sneaky cool feature that this product has, it's got something called talking photos. So you can go into your app, add a picture, and then you'll create basically a voice narrative of the picture that you can have playing back. Here's where my son got bit by a bee this summer, and we can upload that and then actually click record, and then it will actually play back that picture with your recorded voice narration over it, which is, I think, pretty slick. So you can preview that and then send it to your digital frame and make sure your volume's up, of course, if you want to be able to hear that, and it will play. So overall, this thing's got the size, it meets the price point, and it seems to have lots of cool features. The Google Photo album syncing works really well, so we can play home videos from way back, like there was my grandpa and me when I was little, and again, it's got video and audio with no like limitations on anything. There's a few little quirks, or like the video will kind of it'll play all the way through, but the picture before and after might get duplicated or something. But it's overall just a high quality product, and that's why I'm making this video, because I thought you would enjoy it as well. So we'll stop the video there. Hopefully this has helped you out. Stay sneaky.